You notice the waves is a dark and light. From a three-dimensional perspective, it's a light shade and a dark shade, but we're looking at things three-dimensionally. So it's popping up in our face physically, not on a two-dimensional surface. Two-dimensional surface now, you have to have two values. Right? The value is the wave that's behind the wave, the color behind the waves is light, the colors in the forefront of the wave is dark. And the light and the dark has to blend into a kind of symphony where it transitions from darkness to light or from dark to bright in a very smooth, uncorrelated or unrelated finish. You mustn't see how the dark shade becomes the light shade.